This is an example of the breakdown of the trios. On the left, you'll see under the timing heading that there's a primary, and that means primary exercise that goes for 30 seconds, a 10-second break, progression 1, which is the second exercise, that goes for 30 seconds, another 10-second break, progression 2, which is the third exercise, and that goes for 30 seconds. You'll notice that in the middle there's a 20-second break, and that happens after progression number 2 in the first half of the trio. The second half of the trio is identical. The primary exercise goes for 30 seconds, there's a 10-second break, progression 1 goes for 30 seconds, another 10-second break, and then finally progression 2, which goes for 30 seconds. Now what's different here is that there is a 40-second break between this trio and the next trio. So why are the breaks different lengths? So between the primary progression 1 and progression 2, the 10-second break is long enough for the participants to have a short recovery and also for the instructor to demonstrate what the next exercise is. After the first half of the trio, there's a 20-second break. The reason for that is, well, progression 2 is a more challenging exercise, but also it might be that the stick needs to move to a different position to go back to the primary exercise. After that, we have exactly the same 3 exercises again, but then at the very end, we have a 40-second break. And the 40-second break allows the instructor to reposition the participants into another position, for example, moving from standing to the floor, or if the participants are lying face down, they're able to flip over to a seated recline position. So it allows time for that, allows time for communication, and also an adequate recovery between trios.